everybody, I am Jaden and I'm here opening oysters for everybody to eat. As you see now, I've opened 3, so there's going to be a total of 6. And I'm going to show you the process of the oysters being opened. If I don't open some, it's okay. That's called experience. So, say as if you have this one, like, totally, you just bought it, and you just got home, and you have everything set up. If you're having Eastern ones, I recommend the bended one. If it's the Western one, it's more fragile, so I recommend be careful with it. And make sure you have the right knife so it's straight for the Western. Remember, West, straight. East, bend. Okay? So now that you're ready, make sure you have a cutting board, a sink next to you if you can, because you're going to get some sheddings everywhere. Lemon or butter, anything. I choose lemon, and a plate. I'm gonna open this one since this one I haven't cracked yet. Did I crack it? No. So I prepared the other ones. They're cracked right here, see? But the first thing you're gonna do is look for any sand inside. If you do, target those areas. Because if you make sure you break some off, it's fine if you break some off. And once you removed some area, you'll have to remove the sand and dirt around it. Make sure you clean it. And then you repeat the process again and again, except you have to go like this in order to get everything off. And if you have the power, you can maybe take some of the side off. Make sure you don't get fooled by these. This is all dirt. But if you want raw oyster, then you're gonna have to have some experience. So I recommend watching a video, not this one, but something else, like someone more professional, like a official oyster shacker. And if you can't get any sand out, then that's fine. You're gonna have to start with the other ones that are ready. So I'm gonna move to another one because this one is not opening right now. This one looks more prepared. So
you prepared it.
Yeah, I already prepared it. So
let me see. Oh, I got. No. What's the whole? Okay, you prepared.
Yeah. So see that white stuff that's hanging to the top. So you're gonna have to cut that because that is how it keeps this shut. Mm-hmm. So you either rip this off,
or use that,
or you just use the knife, or you can cut it from the inside. Make sure you don't leak the juice, because that's what keeps it alive. And now you got an opened oyster. Now I got 2 more to go.
So try this one.
So make sure you can crack the shell a little.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna start removing.
Okay.
And that hurt.
You okay?
I'm starting to get used to getting hit in the thumb. So if you get hit and get a cut, no worries. It might sting for a little. Keep that in mind, obviously. But just gonna keep on opening until I don't know. Just
You okay?
yeah, little cut.
Oof.
Nothing
Sorry.
to worry. And don't overpower it. I recommend not to. Just start removing. So keep on breaking until you see water come out. If you do, then it's fine for now. That was way too close.
Okay.
I just hope I'll be able to open this in time. And I got it.
Wow.
Make sure you don't leak the juice. That's what keeps it alive.
Good job, Jaden.
Still
So
got
why don't
some.
you try to eat one, okay? I know we have one more. Okay, here. Put the lemon. So I'm gonna squeeze the lemon.
I'm gonna squeeze the lemon.
Okay, go. Yep. Now,
Let's try it again. Let's try another lemon. Extra lemony. I figured out lemon has a sour taste, except it has a sweet aftertaste if you get used to it.
Okay, so try. なんでレモン食べたの You ready?
Ready? And make sure all is off.
Do.
The lemon kind of got
Too
me.
much?
No, it's not too much.
How was the taste? Oyster.
Amazing!